Hey guys, I got another video. I want to talk about some more Saebo stuff because there's a lot of stuff coming my way, a lot of stuff happening. Been working closely with the Saebo company with regards to my hand, and I want to show you the next new project. Let me tip this camera a little bit, make it a little bit easier. You see my ugly mug, you want to see this. Okay, this is called the Saebo Stim Pro. And what this does is this is a glove that has, I'm guessing, forgive me, I'm not a doctor, but I'm guessing there's metal go running through this, but I can feel electricity running through my hand right now. So I'm using it right now in my daily morning rituals to put this on. Okay. So if you notice, there's a wire that goes to my glove and there's a wire that goes to my arm. It's like an elbow pad. Okay. There's a lotion that you put on here so it slides on easy and it conducts electricity and it makes a circuit. See this wire? Okay. It's making a circuit right now of an electrical current, kind of like a TENS unit. Okay. I can feel it vibrating all the way through my fingers. Now, what this does, this is working the communication from my hand. And as I feel it, my brain is communicating with my hand better. Okay. So I can now move my hand a lot more when I'm using this or when I'm feeling it. If I move it to certain situations, I can feel it vibrate more. It's almost like when your hand falls asleep, that tingly pins and needles. That's what this feels like. And it does the palm of my hand, does every finger. It's stimulating everything. That's hence the word stim. Okay. Make sure, excuse me, make sure these are snapped on good. I just want to give you a few things I've learned. Make sure there's a complete circuit so that it can communicate, because it'll tell you if the circuit is broke. If I unplug this while the machine's on, so there's a little machine that I use. I turn it on. You got to hit the channel button, the CH button. So if you want to turn the power up more, I'm at 27 right now. I think it tops out at 30, but I can feel vibration running through my arm and my hand, and it's totally stimulating the nerves and the communication from my brain all the way down to my hand. So that goes on. And the treatment is like 2 30-minute sessions a day. So I wear this twice a day. You know what? The one thing, I don't care if it's exercise, therapy, whatever it is, you got to be faithful. You can't put it on, forget one day, don't do it twice a day. You have to be faithful twice a day. At least I am. You need to speak to your Saebo representative and ask them what they think you should be doing and what they recommend. They recommend you start off on program 14. So right now I'm about halfway through the program. This also is like a TENS unit. We got pads with this that I can put on my arm and I can trigger my hand to open and all that. But I'm not ready to show you that yet. I just want to introduce this device. So it's called Saebo Stim Pro, and STIM is for stimulation, and that's what it's doing. So it's vibrating right now. I can feel it running through my hand. I can feel my hand wanting to do things. You can use this with the Saebo stretch. I can put the stretch on it right now and keep my hand flat. But if I flatten my hand, I don't feel as much. It's weird. It depends on how your hand is positioned, is whether you can feel the vibrations and the electricity and all that. What level should you be at? Speak to Saebo about that, where you should start, how you should feel, what it should feel like, and they'll give you some instructions. Some people like to feel it. Some people feel it and then they go down one number where they don't feel it, but it's still stimulating. You just can't recognize it feel wise. But I have full feeling in this hand, so I can feel it working. But I will show you the pads later. I just want to take this time to show you what this device is like right now. One other warning I want to give you, it comes with an adapter that plugs right into the side right there, okay? Comes with an adapter. That's an adapter. So if your batteries die and you need to use it and you want to plug into the wall, you can. It's not a rechargeable battery. It's regular batteries you put in. So don't plug it in. I was such a goof. Don't plug it in to recharge the batteries. It's not that kind of a battery. The regular batteries you buy at the store and you pop them in and they run for as long as they have life. Okay, then once they're done, throw out the batteries, get new batteries, and do it again. It's like a game controller. Okay, so this is just a different type of a game. So anyway, this is the device. This is what it looks like. It comes with a clip, so you can walk around the house. You can, I can cook. I'm gonna do a cooking video with this on, so that you can see me hold the bowl, and I can grab the handle and I can stir, and I can do stuff with this glove. It's funny, the more I use this hand, the more I can feel it vibrate. So it's making a tighter connection. That's interesting. So I really love this. This is by Saebo. It's called this, once again, Saebo Stim Pro. Okay. And it can be worked with the mirror box. It can it can work with the stretch. So it's kind of interesting how everything works together. Okay. I can use the stretch with the mirror box. I can use this with the mirror box. I can use this in the stretch with the mirror box. So many combinations. And I have to tell you, one of the things, again, that I have to press in this video is repetition. If you're a stroke recovery patient, repetition is everything. So I have a toe that doesn't work quite like it should. So I'm continuously doing the toe lifts to strengthen not the muscle, but the connectivity. It's more connection to your brain than anything. So all I can tell you, if you contact Saebo and they say, wear the stretch 6 hours a day, wear the stretch 6 hours a day. I mean, just be faithful to the program. I can tell you that it's making a difference in my life. I can feel little things that are different. The movements are easier, the opening of the hands easier, thanks to Saebo. So I just want to give them kudos. I thank them very much. If you have any questions, contact them. They'll be more than happy to help you out. But if you know anybody who has suffered from a stroke and they have issues using their hand or any right or left, they can work with right or left. Okay. So contact them because this is what they do. All right. I love you guys. I've rambled too much. I got to go. And I will have, I'll have more videos on these products. We're going to use them in different ways and show you all the many ways that they work. All right. You guys take care. Bye-bye.